Hello everyone. Today we change the battery Google Pixel 7. Now I start to change battery. My name is Imran. Give him some heat. So already open the back cover with X-ray and blade. Now we remove the screw. I already opened the screw, you can see, and remove wireless charger. Then I remove the battery. First I remove the battery connection. So this is old battery and this is new battery. I already installed and battery is fine. Check it now. Now we close it step by step. This is our lab. This PC garage. Battery almost fixed. So now it's time to close the cover. Put some tape and glue. Then it's ready. And we also repair laptop. Shaji is continue fixing a laptop. You can see in open condition. Job is done now. Already changed the battery. After 1 hour we remove the rubber band. Then glue is dry. Thank you. See you soon.